And for another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to detect an item. See, example, the compass. Example, the compass. I gonna click the compass and boom. I have been teleported to 13. What could this number and the armor stand is floating. Now, if the emerald one, I've been teleported to the command blocks and again Bob and Bob. Now, see, I got teleported. Now, the tutorial starts now. You need to slash give your own command block like this command block and you're gonna set your game role to false command out false and I gonna select that. I gonna set this to repeat and I will accept. And you're gonna click this plus button and you're gonna click in the starting in the square inside of the square and you're gonna click this and bob. It's very easy to click. Now you're gonna slash execute. No slash execute. Execute as wait as E and this as item and leave an equal and you're gonna click this and back to EBC and you're gonna select item and go to this option and go to this option like this option and select this equal sign and go to EBC home and you're gonna select from an item like command block and you gonna long press the dot button and bob done and you're gonna copy this okay you're gonna paste the location in your box and you're gonna copy in here slot that weapon that main hand and that. Now, this green thing, you're gonna copy run and default default it. Wait, default, wait, default, default, difficulty and peaceful, peaceful, and you're gonna exit and now you back to the command block dashboard or and you're gonna name this to one and move around and double tap this and you're gonna off and on and done. Now the next thing I mean, and you're gonna scroll down and find this Winston comparator and you're gonna place it here and boom. See, see in that color, I'm selecting and command block. Now back to the tutorial. Boom. You're gonna place one command block on that and punch, so punch it and set this. No, and close this redstone. Now, now you're gonna type a command. I'm using TP because it's no title for now. Title. Will you should subscribe? Now you're gonna press done for X and you're gonna select your item. Boom. See in the title, subscribe. Will you should subscribe. And this, oops. Now that's the command. Wait, what? That's the command for this tutorial. Like this, this too. Like I don't know. And that's the command for this tutorial. Now, please leave a like and subscribe for help this channel to get 50 subscribers. Now, that's the command for this tutorial. See you to the next video, guys. Please watch the next video because that's the tutorial or my normal video. But that's the command. See you later and bye.